today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install .NET Framework 3.5 on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. You want to open up the Start menu and search for Turn Windows Features, and should say on or off. Go ahead and open that up. Versus .NET Framework 3.5, go ahead and check mark inside of there. And then you want to select OK and allow it to search for and install the required updates. Select Let Windows Update download the files for you. And give that a moment. Okay, it says Windows completed the requested changes. Select Restart Now. And there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.